नई दिल्ली में आज इंडिया रैंकिंग्स 2024 उच्च शिक्षा संस्थानों की रैंकिंग पुरस्कार भारत सरकार के माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान और राज्य मंत्री डॉक्टर सुकांत मजूमदार ने पुरस्कार प्रदान किया गया। खबर जोगिंदर डोगरा।
It is my great pleasure to welcome Honorable Education Minister Sir, all the esteemed dignitaries on the dais, distinguished academicians, researchers. Sir, we are honored to present this planter as a token of our appreciation towards your invaluable support to education sector. मैं भारत के शिक्षा राज्य मंत्री आदरणीय श्री शन ऑफ नॉलेज दीपक ज्ञान के प्रकाश और अंधकार को दूर करने का प्रतीक है। Improvements and expansion in terms of additional categories and subject domain added to the ranking exercise. Applause. This is a major achievement. Many congratulations, sir, for the 9th time. Now I'll request Indian Institute of Sciences, Bengaluru, to please come on stage and receive your award. At number 3, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay.
इधर
It's such a proud moment for all of us indeed, sir. Now, recognizing the institutes in university category, I'll request the prestigious institute, Indian Institute, निरंतर प्रयासरत हैं. I'll also request representative of Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, bagging the second prize, Kamakoti second. At number 3, we have Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. So please come on stage to receive your prize. Next, we'll move to engineering discipline, where I'll request Indian Institute of Technology Madras to come on the stage to receive his prize. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, bagging the second prize. Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, on the third position. Request Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Now, moving on to pharmacy discipline, I request Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi, to come on stage. Hindu College, Delhi, please come on stage to receive your award. Many congratulations, ma'am. You seem to be very excited. Yeah. Next we have Miranda House, Delhi. Ma'am, I request you to please come on stage. Now we have St. Stephen's College, Delhi. Oh, regretfully they are not here, but okay, please. So sorry, sir. I'll also invite representatives from Ramakrishna Mission Vivekanand Centenary College, Kolkata. They have also bagged the third prize. Many, many congratulations, sir. Now, moving on to law discipline. So I'll request National Law School of India, University Bangalore to come on stage. Followed by National Law University Delhi. And now also Now moving on to architecture and planning discipline, I request Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Vellore. So 100 million smile with all the achievers are coming on stage. So glad to see them all. Now coming to dental discipline, I request Savitha Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences, Chennai. Followed by Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal. And at number 3, Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, New Delhi. Now, coming on to research institutions category, Indian Institute of Sciences, Bangalore.
मैडम साइड.
सर आपका बैग छोटा पड़ जाएगा. Again, showcase the top 10 institutes in the PPT form, starting with agriculture and allied sectors. ICAR National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal. Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. Now for the state public university category, I'll request the top rank holders to come on stage. Anna University, Chennai.
Sir.
Indira Gandhi National University. And at last, in the Skill University categories, I request Symbiosis Skills and Professional University, Pune, to come on stage and to beg her award. Thank you so much, ma'am.
नीचे उनका चेंज हो गया है। हाँ, वो लेडी का, वो लेडी आ रही है।
मैडम, yes.